Email marketing is the world's most effective direct marketing tool. Used properly, it can generate more leads, increase conversion, and help to retain current customers. In today's video, we will discuss about some important email marketing tools. Before starting today's video, we would like to inform you that if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe now. So let's start. Let's discuss about some email marketing tools. MailChimp. MailChimp is a powerful email marketing software, but it can be very complicated. Here is the best and easiest way to create and send emails with MailChimp. MailChimp is an email marketing and automation platform, which is a trading name of Rocket Science Group. Starting as a paid service, it added a freemium plan in 2009 and has continuously become more popular among users, especially small businesses. This all-in-one marketing asset allows you to manage and keep in touch with your users and clients. You can benefit from a variety of elaborately designed campaigns and practical insights about them. It is a web-based application and can be used on all web browsers without having to download any software or mobile app. You can design customized sign-up forms based on your website colors or products and services. Constant Contact. Constant Contact was founded in 1999. Since then they have grown to become one of the largest email marketing solutions provider in the world. They are a great resource for people who want to build a list or just want to send emails. Constant Contact offers free trials and free tools. This means you can try it out for 60 days without making a single dollar commitment. Constant Contact offers a variety of different templates to help you create your emails. With their autoresponder, they allow you to easily track open rates, click-through, bounces and unsubscribes. Constant Contact has a variety of different email marketing services. They offer autoresponders. To know the importance of email marketing, please check the I button. MailerLite. The MailerLite website gives you advanced tools to become an email marketing expert easily and effectively. Pre-made landing pages grow your email list even more, and you can start email campaigns quickly. The free plan lets you handle up to 1,000 subscribers and send 12,000 emails per month. If you need more, you can upgrade to premium accounts at reasonable prices. EngageBay. EngageBay is an automated email marketing tool designed to help small business owners grow their email list. EngageBay has tools for creating engaging content as well as automated email campaigns that will allow you to have your own team do the work for you. It has a drag-and-drop email creator to let you quickly build, send, and track marketing campaigns. It has everything you need to engage customers, increase sales, and improve lead conversion rates. You can track and analyze your email campaigns via A/B testing and gives you proper insights to tailor your email campaigns to achieve maximum ROI. So today we know about some email marketing tools. We hope you can understand all the topics. If any doubts, please comment below. For next video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.